Morning, my dear students. Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So today, just I would like to repeat the previous lesson once again because we were not having textbooks. So most of students are not having textbooks. So here I would like to repeat the lesson once again. The lesson name is My Greatest Prize. Okay. So GC Oni is one of the greatest athletics to have completed in the Olympic game. Okay. Read this account of his experience in the year means in the 1936 Olympic Games held in Berlin. Okay. So Hitler, the Führer or leader of Germany, had declared that his athletic were better because they were from a greater race. Everyone was out to prove him wrong and do their nation proud. For 6 years, J.C. Owen had trained rigorously for this. He was confident about winning a couple of events, especially the long jump. A year back, as a student, he had set the world record for it at 26 feet 8 1 by 4th inch. Everyone thought he would easily win. So I think students, this lesson starts with the period of 1930-36 like that. Okay, so there at the time the Hitler role was going on. In that time, so there was a person. So that person name is Owen. Okay, so he was an athletic player, and the Hitler was saying that you people are not fit for the game for playing all those things. Okay, and it was a challenge to that athletic. Okay, and he took it as a challenge. At the practice, a tall German guy named Louis Long was doing 20 feet apparently. He was Hitler's secret weapon to prove Iron superiority. Owens wanted to show race did not matter by performing better. But an angry athletic is not a good one. In his first two qualifying jumps, he folded by leaping from several centimeters behind the takeoff board. Only the third jump was left, and if he folded, he wouldn't qualify for the event, leave alone winning it. So there was one more person called Louis Long. So he was previously has finished a jump of 20 feet, 26 feet. Okay, a German guy, because Hitler stays there only, and he belongs to RN superiority. So he was a secret agent, secret weapon to prove from Hitler side. Okay, so his performance was very good, and there was no one to beat one. Now the GC Owens in the practice match he just tried and failed in 2 attempts, and later on again his friend. So in the third attempt he just did that one. So just students, I would like to repeat the things. Hitler the Furious, or leader of Germany, had declared that his athletics were better because they were from the greater race. Everyone was out to prove him wrong and do their nation proud. For 6 years, G.C. Owen had trained rigorously. For this, he was confident about winning a couple of events, especially the long jump. A year back, as a student, he had set the world record for it at 26 feet and 8 1/4 inch. Everyone thought he would easily win. At the practice, a tall German guy named Louis Long was doing 26 feet. Apparently, he was Hitler's secret weapon to prove Iron's superiority. Owen wanted to show a race did not matter by performing better. But an angry athletic is not a good one. In his first two qualifying jumps, he folded by leaping from several centimeters behind the takeoff board. Only a third jump was left, and if he folded, he won't qualify for the event, leave alone winning it. See students, next page. Okay, Owen's fault. Okay, frustrated and angry with himself. So after losing two continuous matches, he just got frustrated and angry with himself. As he was walking away from the pit, Louis Long came and said a friendly hello. They shook hands and Long asked Owen what was bothering him. You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. And now after some days they become friends. Okay, they both become friends, and that the previous record winner, okay, Louis Long, okay, that Louis Long was asking to Owen. Okay, so they shook hands and Long asked Owen what was bothering him. Now tell me what is happening, what is going on in your mind. Then he replied, you should be able to qualify with your closed eyes. Now you are a champion. Okay, now just you just failed 2-3 times, but again you are having chances, so you can win again by closing your eyes. Okay, believe me, I know it. Owen told him, and it felt good to say that to someone. And that Owen said to his friend Long, believe me, I know it. Believe me, I know it. So, okay, so it felt good to say that to someone. They had a small chat, and without being told, Long understood what was disturbing Owen. So after some times, so they spoke little bit and they chatted. Okay, a simple chat. After that Long came to know that just means he understood that there was a disturbance owing, or there is a disturbing something to owing. Long did not believe that their race or any race was better than any other. Then he said beautiful word. Okay, believe that their race or any race was better than any other. They joked about how he looked the perfect RN specimen, thought an inch taller than Owen. He had a lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and a strikingly handsome, okay, chiseled face. Again, so while that conversion is going on, again this Long said a joke. See what happened when I was practicing, when I was a champion. So when I was doing practice, so I saw one more guy who was having blue eyes, okay, blonde hairs, and the handsome guy, and the heighted person. So look, he said when Owen had claimed one, why don't you draw a line few inch at the back of the board and aim at making your take off from there. You will be sure not to fold, and you certainly ought to jump for enough to qualify. What does it matter if you are not the first in the trial? Okay, tomorrow is what counts. See again, once again we'll read. It's a beautiful line. Look, he said when Owen had claimed down. See, my dear friend, now you just only lost in 2 games. So when I was practicing, when I wanted to become a champion, means before I become champion. So I was just furious. I got frustrated and I got also surprised. I got angry. Okay, I got astonished to the persons who was before me. That clear blue eyes, okay, blonde hair, and the long tall person. At the time, I just realized myself that I just want to qualify. So that's why I want to close my eyes and go further. What does it matter if you are not the first in the trial? Tomorrow it what counts. So that again Long is saying to Owing that you may not be a first person today, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow definitely. So you will be also a counted person. Okay. Owens relaxed as he realized the wisdom of his words. Confidently, he took the third practice jump from a full foot behind the board and qualified easily. Yes, with this word friend, with the friend word, with the long word. Okay, Long is name. Okay, with the word he just realized and got little bit moral things. Felt happy. Then he said, Owings relaxed as he realized the wisdom of his word. Confidently, he took the third practice jump for the full foot behind the board and qualified easily. Okay, so he just failed in 2 attempts, and in third attempt, he just qualified for the next athletic championship easily. That night, Owing went over to Long room in the Olympic village to thank him, and they ended up chanting for few hours about the varieties of topics. By the time Owings left, a genuine friendship had formed between them. If it hadn't been for Long, Owing later said he would not have even qualified for the long jump the next day. Though he was competing against Owing, Long wanted him to perform his best even when it meant Owing could win or Long could lose. Again, at that light, he just qualified and just he went to Owing went to Long village. Long means name. Okay, village to thank him, and just they spent 2 hours times, and they spoke about the game, and they spoke about the varieties of topic. By the end, so Owing said, so our friendship will be remain forever. Whether tomorrow, so both we are participating, whether you are going to win or I am going to lose, doesn't matter, but our friendship will be forever. Just we'll try our level best and perform well. Okay, so I just read once again. That night, Owings went over to Long room in the Olympic village to thank him, and they ended up chanting for 2 hours about a varieties of topics. By the time Owens left, a genuine friendship had formed between them. If it hadn't been for Long, Owens later said, okay, he wouldn't have even qualified for the long jump the next day. Though he was competing against Owings, Long wanted him to perform his best even when it means Owings could win or Long could lose. Okay, means the next day, so there was a competition. Okay, in that both they are going to perform, they are going to participate, and at that night, previous night, they chanted. Okay, they spoke so many topics, and finally they said, so our friendship is beyond all these things. Okay, so tomorrow you may win or I may lose, or I may win, you may lose, but we should perform the best, means we have to try our level best. At the event, Lewis broke his past record. This pushed Owing to his peak performance. At the instant he landed from his final jump, the one which set the Olympic record, that is 26 feet 5 and 5 by 16 inch, he was at Owing's side congratulating him, while Hitler glared at them from the stands not even the 100 meters away. Lewis shook Owing's hand with a genuine worthy. So what happened next day? So the game started, and Lewis means Long broke his previous record only. Means he only broke his previous record. His previous record was 26 to 1 by 8, and now this time he jumped and set an Olympic record of 26 feet and 5 inch 5 by 16 inch, means that is broken of previous his own record. He was at Owing's side and congratulating him. Then he was saying to that Owing, yes, while the Hitler glared at them and from the stands not even 100 meters away. At that time the Hitler was very near, and he was saying Yes, so he was not saying anything, just he stood aside. Okay, Long was the epitome of what Francis D. Okay, Coubertin, founder of the modern Olympic game, must have had in mind when he said the important things in the Olympic game is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. Yes, these are beautiful words said by okay that Pereir D. Okay, Coubertin, founder of the modern Olympic game, must have had in mind when he said what he said. The important things in the Olympic game is not winning but taking part. Okay, and he said winning is not a matter, okay, but taking part is a matter. So my dear students, here we learned something. We learned one word, one thing from here. So winning or losing doesn't matter, getting score, getting highest marks, getting lowest marks doesn't matter, but we should write exam. Yes, is it clear? Okay, so you cannot sit at home and write exam. At least you have to try to get pass, to get rank or get good score. So winning means you definitely win the game. Sometimes you lose the game, but it doesn't mean that you don't want to practice. Okay, you have to participate. If you are if you are participating, then only so you are on the field, and day or another day, so not today, so in the next coming days you may win definitely. The essential things in life is not conquering but fighting well. Yes, so this is very beautiful word said by that founder of the modern athletic Olympic game. He said the essential thing in life means the important things in life is not conquering. Okay, so it is fighting well. Okay, so next, in addition to winning the long jump, okay, Owing won 3 more gold medal in Berlin in the 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters relay. Okay, and GC own world record in the long jump was not broken for 25 years. See students, so this is a beautiful okay word. It is maybe for GK question, for general knowledge purpose. In addition to winning the long jump, so on that time he just won the game. Okay, GC won 3 more gold medal in Berlin. Okay, in the 100 meters again consecutively he just won the 100 meters, 200 meters, and again the 400 meters relay. Okay, GC one's world record in the long jump was not broken for 25 years. See students, it was very okay good things to know that. So he just he just tried 2 times. Okay, in practice match only he failed. Again in the third practice match also he just qualified easily with the word, with the friend's word, long words. Okay, his friend name long. From he got inspired and he just qualified for that one, and he just went to meet his friend at that night, and they had a very good discussion. They had very good discussion, and they discussed out more varieties of topic, and lastly they said, so tomorrow we are going to participate in the same work, the same game. But here the thing is that that tomorrow we may lose, or I may lose, or I may win. Tomorrow you may lose or you may win, but our friendship will be remain forever. And for tomorrow game we have to perform our level best, means his level best. And he just won the match, and for next 3 consecutive years, okay, so he got 3 medals, and that owing records still it was remained for 25 years. Okay, so he was the most successful athletics at the 1936 Olympic in his honor. The government of United States of America grant the Juicy Owens Award to the best track and field athlete of the year. Okay, he was just most successful person, sports person in the year 1936, and the government of America, United States of America, granted award and honored him a lot. So I think students, with these things, this topic is very clear to you all. So in the next class, we'll discuss the next questions or next topic. Okay, thank you so much for being listened. Okay, so next class I'll send the notes for this one. Read once again by taking this video. So thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.